Okay, I am back with the anatomy of the ear, and that is again chapter 18, about page 355. So this is a short little video describing the parts of the ear that make up the outer ear in blue, the middle ear, and the inner ear. Okay, we'll talk a little function here, catching. So the outer ear consists of the pinna, and that is, oops, get out of there, excuse me. The pinna, which is the fleshy cartilage part of your ear here, with your earlobe down at the bottom there. We don't have to label the earlobe. The pinna, which catches and funnels sound waves into the auditory canal, okay, which is a little exaggerated here. It's not that long. Auditory canal, so the opening of the auditory canal is lined with fine little hairs and sweat glands. The middle ear begins and the outer ear ends at the eardrum, which is called the tympanic membrane. So sound waves get funneled in and they start to make this eardrum, tympanic membrane, actually vibrate. And then what happens there is that it's just the ear is now just a set of transferring vibrations. So you can see there are three. The smallest of bones in your body are in the ear or in the middle ear. One is called the malleus, also referred to as the hammer. The middle bone is called the incus, hammer, anvil, and the stapes, staples without an L, is a stirrup bone. So three bones, one right here, one right there, and the other one right here. And what happens, as you can see, the malleus is attached to the tympanic membrane, vibrates. When the tympanic membrane vibrates, it transfers it and transfers it. And the stirrup is attached to the inner ear, which creates the sound and sensory impulse to take to the brain. So you see the part here of the stirrup that is attached to the inner ear is called the oval. Sorry. There you go. It's called the oval window. The oval window goes with this line right here, and another area that catches and has an opening for an impulse is called the round window, which is kind of down here as well. There is that dot right there, the round window. Bring it up. Okay, so you're looking for hearing. So the vibration goes from tympanic membrane to incus, malleus to incus to stapes to oval window to round window and into the inner ear, which is there, of course, which is your cochlea. Your cochlea is a snail shaped. Inside of it contains cilia, and that cilia is contained in a liquid which waves back and forth and is sensitive to these vibrations and creates sound that you have. The sound impulse is created and sent to the auditory nerve, and the auditory nerve brings that to the brain for translation. You'll notice there are a couple of other parts to the ear that you should see. One that connects the ear to your nose and your throat area, and that is called the eustachian tube. And the other way up here, you see these three partial circles are called the semicircular, oops, get that up there, canals. Why is not letting me get up there? Excuse me. There you go. See, I'm not stopping this video for anything, mistakes and all.